We continue to dig a little deeper into PN calculations. This time we will determine how many kcals an individual is receiving per hour based upon their need for 2200 kcals per day and a formula that offers 1.25 kcals per cc. We understand that these beginning videos may seem quite basic to some, but please keep in mind that the very complex equations that will come later will depend heavily on understanding these concepts well. Once again, the question is, determine the number of kcals a patient is receiving per hour if the patient is on a continuous infusion and requires 2200 kcals per day. The formula they are on provides 1.25 kcals per cc. As before, the first thing we need to do is determine how many cc's per day are required to meet the individual's kcal needs. To do this, start by dividing their needs of 2200 by 1.25, which is how many kcals are in 1 cc of formula, and we get the answer of 1760 cc's needed. Next, we want to determine the hourly rate, so we need to divide the 1760 by 24 since it is a continuous feeding or infusion. 1760 divided by 24 equals 73.34 cc's per hour, which will be the proper flow rate for this individual on this formula. Lastly, we need to figure out how many calories this is per hour. So we multiply the 73.34 by the 1.25 kcals per cc, and we end up with just under 92 kcals per hour. RDStudy.com video tutorials are produced and owned by Nutrition News Network LLC. Any copying, reuse, or redistribution, in full or in part for any purpose without the written consent of Nutrition News Network LLC is prohibited. All rights reserved.